Hey, how's it going? And this is just a super quick video on exponents in verse code. I was searching the internet, and one thing I noticed is that the Google AI isn't quite up to speed yet because it has this thing that pops up now. I don't know if you've noticed this on the internet, but it says here to put two asterisks, and that's not correct at all. And so I couldn't really find anywhere in the documentation how to do exponents. The only place I really found was in the API itself. How you can do it is if you do capital POW parentheses, the first number is the number that you want raised, and then the second number, and they have to be float, the second number is the exponent. So this would be 7 raised to the power of 2, and this would be 10 raised to the power of 3. And then you can use this by itself as the result, or you can put it in a constant or another value. So just to show you that this works. So let's see if that's what we see. Correct. Yes. So if you're looking for exponents, that's one way to do it, at least for now. I don't know if there's any other symbolic way to do it in verse yet. So take care, and I'll talk to you next time.